Hello everyone, this is just a dad. Today I'm going to give you 3 reasons why I love this COSORI 2.1 quart mini air fryer. So the first thing is it's just nice and small. It doesn't take up much counter space. The second reason is it's easy to use. I've got it plugged in. Here's the display. You simply just turn it on. This is the mode button. You've got air fry, bake, roast, or reheat. Let's go back to air fry. We got temperature and time. When I want to change it, just simply press this. That's going to flash. Change my temperature. Press this again, the time's gonna flash. When I've got the temperature and time that I want, I simply just press the play button. And now it's gonna start. And it's not very loud at all. So let's cook some chicken nuggets, and I'm gonna show you how well it does. And again, this is dishwasher safe. That's about 3 inches deep, 6 1/4 by about 6. So it's not a perfect square. That does come out. And there's 2 arrows. You gotta make sure to line up the arrows when you wanna take this in and out. All right, so let's put some chicken nuggets in here. Oh yeah. We're gonna go air fry. I need to change the temperature. Let's go up to 400. Time, let's go to 20 minutes. All right. There. And now it's gonna go. Okay, we got about 4 minutes left. I've shaken them a couple times. They're looking really, really good. When it gets under a minute, it starts counting down in seconds. Okay, they're all done. Wow, that is awesome. Wow, these chicken nuggets are amazing, and they're gonna taste really good. Let's try them. Wow, those are really good. This is just a really, really nice air fryer. Now cleanup's gonna be so simple. I can let this cool down, put it in the dishwasher. If you need to change the temperature from Fahrenheit to Celsius, you're gonna hold the minus and the plus together for 3 seconds, and then it will go to centigrade. And if you wanna go from centigrade to Fahrenheit, do the same thing, and the plus and minus for 3 seconds. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.